Thank you, thank you. We have many other special guests today that I could introduce them to you. Senator Joseph Tiffany here? Not yet? Okay. We have from the International Institute of St. Louis, the CEO of International Institute, Anna Guffy. Just in case you didn't know, you don't know yet, International Institutes work very hard to help immigrants, right? If you ever have immigrants in your life, in your neighbor, try to let them know the International Institute, very important place. Now we have another very important figure. You might have seen her on TV, Channel 9, the Vice President of Niche Publishing, the publisher of Fist magazine, Miss Catherine Neville. Is she here yet? Not yet? Okay. We have the Vice President of Lindenwood University for Student Development, Dr. Ryan Guffy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Now, as I look around the room, I see a lot of friends of the Taiwan American Association, but I'm not seeing a lot of whiskey being drunk. So you might need to work on that a little bit because it's for a good cause. So first of all, thanks for having me. As a university representative, I have to tell you, one of our high-minded ideas is bring people together. Okay, it's easy to bring students onto a campus. They meet people. Really, how do you do it? Mission of society as a whole. We believe in education, and that's exactly what this organization does. It's bringing people, bringing families, bringing coworkers into one place where we can actually communicate at the same level through the same mediums: food, culture, art. And I just want to say on behalf of Lindenwood how thankful we are to be part of this. Right around the corner. Matter of fact, to see several of our alums here, we're very happy to do that. And we even have one of our professors who teaches Chinese studies who live in Taiwan, who regularly talks about Taiwanese history and the impact it has on American immigration. So really, thank you very much for letting us be part of the ceremony, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.